So yesterday we were working on lesson 10.5 about solving questions with time intervals, and we went through a few examples together. Your assignment was to do the even number questions, so I'm going to go over the answers for that right now. So we did number 1. So question 2. What if Patty goes to the mall at 11:30 and meets a friend at a movie at 1:15? Patty wants to shop and have 45 minutes before lunch before meeting her friend. How much time can Patty spend shopping? So, she goes to the mall at 11:30. She's meeting her friend at 1:15. She wants to shop and have 45 minutes for lunch before meeting her friend. So, if we are at 11:30 and she has to meet her friend at 1:15. So we have our start time and our end time. We know that she wants to shop. We don't know the time. And she wants 45 minutes for lunch. So if she starts at 11:30 and she wants 45 minutes for lunch, well, I know that I can take 45 and split it, because if I split 45 into 30 and 15, that makes it a bit easier for me to add. So if I add a half an hour or 30 minutes, I'm going to cross that out to keep track, I'm at 12 o'clock, because 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 minutes is the same as 1 hour, so it'd be 12 o'clock. Then I have 15 more minutes, because that's my 15 from right here. So if I add that, then I'm at 12:15. So she spent her 45 minutes having lunch, and the rest of it she can use to shop. So I need to think, how much time does she have between 12:15 and 1:15? Well, the minutes are the same, so I don't need to add any minutes. But from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock is a whole hour. So she could take 1 hour, which we know is the same as 60 minutes. So how much time can she spend shopping? She can spend 1 hour or 60 minutes. Okay. Number 4. Avery got on the bus at 1:10 p.m. The trip took 90 minutes. Then she walked 32 minutes to get home. At what time did Avery arrive at home? So, here is my diagram. So we're starting at 1:10. If it took 90 minutes, 90 minutes is more than 60 minutes. 90 minutes is 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. 60 minutes is the same as an hour. So I'm going to add 1 hour. So now I'm at 2:10. I'm going to cross that out. And then I have 30 minutes left. So let's add 30 more minutes. So 10 plus 30 is 40. So now it's 2:40. Then she walked for 32 minutes to get home. So I'm going to split 32 into 30 and 2. So if I'm at 2:40, I know that if I add 20 minutes, I'm at 3 o'clock, and I could split 30 into 20 and 10. So I already added 20. So if I add, a little easier, 10 more minutes, then I'm at 3:10. Oh, my line is not long enough. And then I need to add 2 more minutes. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So he would have arrived home at 3:12. Looking at the time, we have PM. So 3:12 PM is your answer. Okay? Let's go over a few more on the back. So we did number 5. So you needed to answer question 6. Kyle and Josh have a total of 64 CDs. Kyle has 12 more CDs than Josh. How many CDs does each boy have? So, 2 people, a total of 64. Kyle has 12 more CDs than Josh. So, this is kind of where we have to guess and check. So what if Kyle has more, I need to think through this question. So Kyle's going to have the bigger amount, Josh is going to have the smaller amount. So what if Kyle had 30 CDs, and if he has 12 more, what's the smaller number than 30? That's 12 less. That would be 18. Does 18 and 30 add up to 64? No, that's 48, so that doesn't make sense. What if Kyle had 35 CDs? What's 12 less than 35? 23. 35 and 23, 58. No, but we're getting closer. What if Kyle had 37 CDs? 12 less than 37 would be 25. 30 plus 20 is 50. 7 plus 5 is 12. So I'm at 62. Okay, so I'm getting closer. What if Kyle had 38 CDs and 12 less than 38 is 26? 38 plus 26, 14, regroup, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 more is 64. 64 is the correct answer. So Kyle would have 38, Josh would have 26. The reason I started with 30 is because I knew that 64 was close to 60 and half of 60 is 30. That's why I started with 30. Definitely a lot of guessing and checking. Number 8. Miguel played video games each day for a week. On Monday, he scored 83 points. His score went up 5 points each day. On what day did Miguel score 103 points? Explain how you found your answer. So on Monday, he had 83. It went up 5 points each day. So Tuesday, he would have had 88. Wednesday, he would have had 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Thursday, he would have had 96. No, I'm sorry, 98. I can't count. Friday, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103. Would have had 103. So the day would be Friday. Alright. So you also had to work through lesson 10.5 for your homework. So how I'm going to be checking your homework, you have 2 choices. You can either take a picture of both sides of your homework assignment and email it to me, or you can turn it in on Wednesdays. So when your parent comes to the school to pick up or drop off things on Wednesdays, you can have them bring in your math and they will get it brought back to me. So, just so you know. So today, we are halfway through chapter 10, so you do have a mid-chapter checkpoint. Now, for this, we usually take it as a quiz grade, so I want you to work through all of the questions. You can see you've got some vocab. You need to write the time. Don't forget AM or PM. Think about the activity that they're doing, what would make the most sense. You've got some elapsed time questions. So make sure if they give you a line to make your diagrams that you're using them. And then on the back you have some multiple choice. So you can use your journal, you can use your notebook, you can use your workbook, look through any pages that we've done previously, and then tomorrow I will show you the answers. So take your time, do your best. If you need to, you can always go onto Google Classroom and use the digital clock app because you can move the minute and hour hands to help you solve questions as you go. Good luck!